Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Begin by preparing your workspace and tools for a careful adjustment. Measure your wrist circumference with a soft tape to the nearest zero. 1 inch. Note a comfortable fit by adding 1/4 inch for movement and comfort. Collect a spring bar tool, small screwdriver, needle nose pliers, and a hammer block to remove links safely. Inspect the watch for removable pins or screws on the bracelet or lug spring bars on the strap. Clear lighting and a clean cloth will prevent scratches and lost parts. Identify the bracelet links that are removable by locating small arrows on the inside. Remove bracelet pins on the indicated side using a pin pusher and hammer block to protect pins. Keep screws and pins organized in order and mark which side you removed them from. Recount removed pins and test fit until the wrist measures comfortably at wrist plus 1/4 inch. For screw pins, apply a tiny drop of thread locker and tighten to manufacturer torque. Reinsert pins with consistent direction and alignment. If your watch uses a folding clasp, use the micro-adjust positions to fine-tune fit. Micro-adjust the clasp by moving the spring bar in 1-notch increments for a precise fit. For leather or fabric straps, use a hole punch or rotate the buckle pin to another hole. For a tighter leather fit, punch a hole 1/8 inch toward the buckle and clean edges. After any adjustment, wear the watch for 2 hours and recheck comfort and mobility. Make small changes and retest to avoid over-tightening or damaging components.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.